Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and this is Learn to Code. So far you've been writing programs that have a sequential flow. That is to say that each line of code is executed one after another. So in this example, all these lines of code are executed in the order that you see them. And then the program ends. If this was the only type of programming we could do, the type of programs you could create would be very limited. Fortunately, and I'm sure you've already guessed this, there is more to do and learn. In this section, you will learn about selection, where your program will be able to branch one way or another, and iteration, which will let you repeat parts of your program. Let's have a look at an example of a program that you're going to create at the end of this section. Let's run. So, here we go. It's a guess my number game. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Can you guess what it is? Well, let's go for 50. Right, smack bang in the middle. Ooh, it's too low. Let's try again. Let's go for 75. Ooh, it's still too low. Okay, let's go for 87. Still too low. Split it again and go 92. Too high. Let's go for 90. Well done. Got it. Okay, so let's have a quick think about what's happening here. First of all, I'm asked to enter my guess. Now if I get it wrong, which I did 1, 2, 3, 4 times, it repeats the same code. That's our iteration going on. Now, each time I enter the guess, the computer not only got to check to see if it's right, but it's got to check to see if the number I've entered is lower or higher than the actual number, and then give me some feedback. So a few times it said it was too low, and then once it said it was too high, just to help me narrow down on what that number actually is. Well, that's selection. If the number I've entered is lower than the actual number, it tells me to enter a higher number, or it tells me I'm too high or I'm too low. So that's the challenge. That's what you're going to be creating at the end. There's quite a few lessons to go before you actually get there. The first of which is how do we generate a random number? Because let's be honest, this game would be pretty boring if it was always the number 90. Okay, so let's get started and create some random numbers.